Hi, I'm Brad Connors. I'm a financial advisor located in Waseca, Minnesota. If you're interested in an investment opportunity, or more importantly, having a discussion about never running out of money, you've come to the right place. Located directly to the right are several video tabs that will walk you through exactly what we do. And the best part, I've included my general approach. My years in the industry have taught me many of the lessons that you're about to hear today. What's in here is a psychology of helping people with their finances and their successes. Many other financial planners do wonderful work with numbers. The reality is that there's an emotional value tied to every financial decision that you're about to make. When you and I work together, we'll take into account that emotional value. Over the years, I believe we've created a unique process that helps set us apart. Please take a few moments and view the tabs to the right.